This is the 11 o'clock news update on NTV. Leading our top stories this morning. The Ongwediva Town Council has launched an educational campaign to improve awareness among dog owners and residents about responsible dog handling following a noticeable increase in dog-related incidents across the town. The campaign seeks to ensure the safety of both people and animals by clarifying the obligation of dog owners, residents and visitors, said Council spokesperson Ottilie Shingenge. Shingenge said dog owners are reminded that animal welfare matters are governed by the Animals Protection Amendment Act 7 of 1972 and enforced largely by the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. In a statement on Tuesday, Council issued a stern warning to dog owners, reminding them to properly care for, supervise and secure their pets to prevent harm to residents or face legal action. Shingenge stressed that unleashed or unsupervised dogs can pose dangers to children, elders and community members at large. Ensuring the safety and well-being of all community members is our top priority, the notice read. Shingenge explained to Network Media Hub yesterday that the residents of the town feel unsafe as stray dogs roam the street and attack people. In a space of 1 week, 3 people were reportedly bitten by dogs, while more than 10 cases of dog bites have been recorded in the past 5 years, with some victims sustaining serious injuries.